Welcome to 67 West Doerr Path. So glad to see you today. It is a beautiful day here in Florida, and I want to show you this great property. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It's a maintenance-free villa in Terra Vista, which is a gated community in Hernando, Florida. And the beauty of the maintenance-free aspect is you will not have to worry about any exterior maintenance. You're not going to be mowing the lawn. You won't be worrying about fertilizing and watering. You don't need to sweep your walkways or driveways. The exterior paint is handled every 7 years for you. So everything is taken care of as far as the outside of the home. So I want to take you around this house and give you a good look at it, give you a feel. You can see we've got a very nice formal dining area. If you look up, there's a beautiful tray ceiling with accent paint. This house was freshly painted 3 years ago in 2019, so it is ready to go as far as all of the maintenance is concerned. The HVAC is just 6 years old, 2015, so that should be good to go as well. We've got a lot of neat decorative features. So you see the archways and the pretty paint accents, again with the lighting there in the entertainment nook. The layout's lovely. It's open concept, so you've got the nice Corian countertops in the kitchen, you've got the wood cabinets, you've got the separate eat-in area here in the kitchen. We have a pantry. And one of my favorite things, I'll show you the space in the pantry here before we move on. One of my favorite things about this particular floor plan is the, I like to call it the wine bar area. Could be like a little butler station, but extra space here for keeping some of your service items very close to the dining room for when you're entertaining. Then we have the laundry room with the pocket door, and of course this is going to lead out to the garage. It's nice that they put a transom window there so you have light in the laundry room without, matter of fact, we don't even have this light on here and it's very bright from that window. This is the garage. It is a full 2-car garage, and the depth of it provides some extra space so that you can have you see the workbench and some storage area as well. There is a drop-down attic access with stairs, and we'll go back in and look at the rest of the house. So you notice here with the kitchen and the dining, we have the tile floors. I'm going to take you over to the guest side of the house first. It is a split bedroom plan, however, the bedrooms are all on one side of the house, so kind of a hybrid split plan. We've got a nice linen closet here, and this is the first bedroom. Notice that the windows are double pane, and they also are the tilt windows, so they've got the buttons so you can pull the windows in for ease of cleaning, which is lovely. Here is the guest bathroom. Again, nice Corian countertops, wood cabinets, and beautiful tiled tub shower combo. The third bedroom here, nice high ceilings. We've got the deco shelving, so you can put some neat collectibles up there, decrements up there. I don't know if you saw that sign walking out of that room. I do want to point out these are pocket doors, but above this door here it says, "We will be friends until we go senile, and then we will be new friends." That's cute. So this is the living area. We've been in here already. You see we've got some tinted sliders, and I can't wait to show you the back there. It has a lot of privacy. We're going to go on into the master. This master bedroom is large. Got plenty of space for an extra seating area, and we also have a French door that leads out to that lanai. And it is a wonderful life when you live in Terra Vista. Walk-in closet here, and then we have a secondary closet over here. So good storage in the master. The bathroom is set up very nice with 2 different vanities. Makeup station. We've got the water closet again with the pocket door. Lots of pocket doors, and those are so great for space efficiency. So nice walk-in shower, glass block wall, again, a pocket door separating the bathroom. And you notice the bedroom has a tray ceiling as well. So a lot of neat architectural things in this house, which is fun to have. Back lanai has the pavers, lots of screening so you'll be comfortable from the bugs, and tons of privacy. So check this out. This is a 4-acre drainage retention area. Now don't be confused by the name, because you don't get standing water in these, but they were, when the communities in this area were developed, they had requirements to have these DRAs in certain locations so that it was, prevention in case we did ever have an issue with a buildup of water. So that's extra protection for you. You can see the land slopes down into that DRA, so I don't think you're ever going to have any issues with standing water on this property. So, are you familiar with the community? Terra Vista is a very unique community for our location. We're in a rural area of Florida, so it's very quiet and peaceful in this entire county, Citrus County. And what Terra Vista brings is a whole nother world. It's like a resort. If you think of a fancy resort vacation, that's what it's like, in my opinion, living in Terra Vista. So you have access to all of the best amenities that anyone in this county can have access to. Private restaurants, private entertainment bar areas, multiple pools to enjoy. We've got a lap pool as well as an outdoor community pool, so you have access to those. We have an activity center with a full calendar of activities, dog parks, walking trails, multiple golf courses, Skyview golf course and tennis courts, and Skyview restaurant is a high-end restaurant that is exclusive for those with membership. So this house has mandatory membership. You will have that, and the list just goes on and on. That's just naming a few of the things. So this is an awesome place to live, and you get to just enjoy all of that and not worry about mowing your lawn or any of those other things that come with living in Florida and having grass growing all year long. So hopefully you've got a good view of this property. And if you'd like more information, or if you'd like to have a private tour, please reach out to me. I'm your Realtor on Demand, Ruth Squires, Keller Williams Realty, RES Luxury Group, White Glove Service, Red Carpet Treatment. It's all in the name. We are not the same. 352-794-1426.